My video guide will give you instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware that is called Stepik. In the video guide, we will find out why exactly it is called like that and what exactly this ransomware does with the files. In fact, Stepik ransomware encrypts the files, and then after the encryption is successful, it adds a special extension. In addition to the main file extension. Before the ransomware attack, definitely you are able to open your files without any problems. You can open pictures, music, text documents. Of course, you can open Microsoft Office documents and other data. But this is what happens after the Stepik ransomware file is successfully launched. The ransomware starts immediately modifying the data that you store on your computer, and then pretty soon you realize that you cannot open these files anymore because this special Stepik extension has been added to the files. You simply cannot access your files, and another problem is that removing this Stepik extension does not decrypt the file. So that's a serious problem. The ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. It also specifies some email addresses for contacting these criminals. But in reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee that people would get their files back. So we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately seek for the solution to remove this ransomware, Stepik, immediately. Access your system drive, select Program Files, select Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. And we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner antivirus through the official page combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner works as antivirus and anti-ransomware. It will help you to detect this Stepik ransomware, remove it effectively, and also protect your system from being damaged in the future. So download Combo Cleaner, run the installer. Make sure the program is fully installed into your computer. After the successful installation, start the application and begin the thorough checkup and investigation of your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So Enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.